Alright, y'all, this is the setup so far. So cute. Classy.
This one?
The lighting is so bad, I'm sorry. These are big.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Oh, that is chewed. That's chewed.
Okay.
It doesn't smell like anything.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna smell like fish.
Oh, that's good.
Okay. We have to start.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We're letting the red wine breathe a little bit.
Yes. So this is like what, Prosecco? All right. It's time.
It's time. All right.
Okay.
Where are we starting first?
We got a bump.
Yes, we do.
We have to take a bump.
Okay.
I want that big spoon.
I'm not gonna do a big bump. Just a little. And you got a little warm up on your hand.
Okay, this is
This is your first time trying caviar. I've tried it before.
Okay. How long do I have to let it warm up?
It's like a minute.
Alright.
Not too long. My bump looks crazy.
I don't know what a nice bump is supposed to look like. It's usually a lot bigger than this too.
Yeah, but we don't got that much. Well, we got a good amount.
A good amount.
But like we have a lot. We have a big spread. We gotta show them the spread.
Okay.
I'm ready to try it.
Okay, me too.
Yeah. Yeah.
I could get with that. It's like slightly fishy, but not bad.
If you let it sit a little longer, it gets buttery.
It does.
All right, let's start eating.
All right, I think we should go Bellini.
Bellini first, for sure.
Bellini.
Okay. These Bellinis look real tired.
And they're real crusty, so Bellini. It's not pancake, it's different.
Little creme.
Some creme. I think I put too much.
Oh, there's a lot, but I don't think there's ever too much creme fresh. Boop. And then you take a bit of coffee. And then a little chive. Alright, this is my first time having a Bellini.
I put too much creme fraiche.
That's good. That little pancake got good.
Y'all.
That pancake is good as hell. I like that. Let me get another one. Yeah, I like that. Little creme.
Oh, that's good. I'm ready for a chip. You want me to wait for you?
Yeah, you gonna wait for me. We doing the chip first or the chicken nugget?
I want a chip first, and then we go chicken nugget. That's really good. Damn. I got all the money in the world to be eating caviar and shit every day. Okay. So this is just a regular Lay's chip, nothing special. That's really good.
Okay. Now I know why the girls do. What the hell?
You better leave us. He ain't putting no money in. Some caviar. Do you put the spoon back or
Just lay it on the table. That's right. You can get your little money's worth.
Yes.
This looks like the perfect chip.
Lay's. Clink.
That's good. Oh. Ooh. I'm really living my best life here.
I didn't taste the caviar too much on the front end, but I tasted it on the back.
I love that. I'm ready for the chicken. I'm so ready for the chicken.
Chicken nuggets.
Once again.
Ooh, I'm cramping. I ain't gonna hold you.
Uh-oh.
Sorry. This is so good. Oh my god. No.
Oh, child.
I know too much now.
We going to Marky's.
Yeesh.
We gotta go.
It's in there. Guys, we're gonna go to Marky's, New York after this. Alright.
Oh, this is what I've been excited for. The last time I did the chicken nugget, I did it with the Chick-fil-A nugget. This is the McDonald's. Oh, Miss Girl.
We're running that back.
Oh, Rihanna. Rihanna. She knows how to reach correct. Because that's good.
Next time we gotta get the nuggets well done. So nice and hot.
Oh. That's so, not too much, nigga.
Bitch, are we gonna be eating this every day or we saving it?
No, but we got so much more left to go over. Oh, that's so good. Yeah.
And I want to make the wine drink now.
So, I told Renee, Lady Gaga's favorite drink is red wine and Diet Coke. So I've been drinking it. But I usually do a cab. Today, I have us a Spanish red wine, which is the Origins. So we're going to try it that way. It's actually really good.
Did I pour too much Coke?
No. I told you. I told you. That shit is good.
That's nice. Yum. Alright. I now want to go Dorito.
Okay. I'm taking it there.
We taking it there. After that chicken nugget, bitch.
That chicken nugget was good.
That was cute.
Yeah, you can get the rest of them. Oh, too much.
The cornflakes is really good too.
It's like elevated sour cream.
No, truly. Oh. I'm trying not to get none of like the flavor and stuff on it. That's good enough. Yes, scoop that like that. I'm gonna wipe it. Thank you, ma'am. Oh.
Oh. Just, you could lick the spoon away.
It's like sushi.
Damn. Hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Danielle know what she talking about. Put some more of them on the plate.
I didn't get that from Danielle. I got that from some black girl.
Oh, her too.
That is good. All right, where you want to go next? You could choose.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. That's your favorite food.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
It's Mexican.
It's tacos.
I'm
Fried
about to
chicken.
eat the chicken myself.
Chicken fried steak. Chicken fried chicken. Fried chicken. Messy bitch.
That was funny as fuck.
She's so messy for that.
She was very messy. All right.
You gotta clink this one. Hold on, chill.
I put way too much creme fraiche on mine. Clink.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm.
That is real good. I'm gonna flip that over and do that again.
Mm-hmm.
Flip that over and do that again.
Flip it in reverse, bitch. Mm. Mm.
Oh my god.
Again, it just gives such a nice buttery flavor towards the end of it. It's really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get that little Marquis joint. I said this is just the first taste test. I said if I like this, we're gonna get the Marquis what is it, like the
Tasting kit.
The tasting kit, and that comes with like 8 different caviars and
It's looking good.
bellinis and creme fraiche and all that good stuff.
Mm.
So now that I like it, we definitely invested in it. Mm.
Mm.
That's some good shit.
That's some good chicken.
Mm. Mm.
Hell yeah.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, what a combo.
Mm.
Diet Coke. Mm.
Okay.
Wow.
All right. You wanna go sourdough? You wanna go chip?
Let's try the dill pickle chip.
All right. Dill pickle chip.
Dill pickle chip.
This
This was my suggestion. Because I love dill pickle anything, and I feel like...
So you never had this combo before?
No, I've done this before.
Oh, okay. Shit, we done tore this up.
Dill pickle kettle chip.
Dog, I'm so happy you got the chive. The chive really does
I told
make
you.
it. Mm.
I told you.
Mm.
I love a dill pickle chip. Oh, we're almost at the bottom.
Who cares?
I do.
Why you trying to savor? You better eat, girl.
I'm trying to savor this.
Like I said, this is just a little cute little taste test. We still gotta do this one.
Oh yeah.
The bread hard as fuck. Is the bread supposed to be this hard, or?
I mean, it was sitting out a little bit. And cut that in half.
Yeah, we'll do a piece in half because this shit is hard as fuck. And
That bellini is tea.
The blend is cute, and then they do like a fat ass layer of butter. Oh, that.
The butter is hard, so it's not gonna spread as well as like a regular butter.
It's not that hard actually.
Oh really? Yeah, that was right.
They put like a fat fucking layer of fucking butter on this shit, so that's what we're gonna do. That's one.
Heart disease.
And this is just, I got chicken on my leg anyway. What the fuck you doing? Don't forget.
Oh my god, this is one of my favorite things. Carbs, meat. Well, yeah, meat. Wine,
Chips.
fish.
Okay. So usually they do like a super thick ass layer of French butter and then caviar on top of it. I'm about to say, I think this is the last thing we got, so we're gonna tear this bitch up. I don't know why I'm waiting for the spoon. Like, I don't know my own. Yeah, good thing we saved this for last too. It's like slippery.
That is. That stays. And I'm just gonna put a little chive.
I'm gonna try a bite without the chive first.
So salty and buttery
and creamy.
Oh yeah.
Damn, that's good. Damn. I'm gonna try a little chive on this next bite.
That's so salty.
I'm a changed woman, y'all.
Caviar so tea.
She's cute.
She's so tea.
Yes. When we get the markets, we're gonna do another video.
Oh, wow.
All right.
Get the Doritos.
Oh.
And the chicken nuggets.
All right. Hold on. As we come to an end, thoughts?
As always, great experience. We got this from Wegmans and it's pretty good.
This is my first time trying it. It's so good.
So good.
It's salty, like buttery, and like the slightest bit fishy. It's very,
but not like
very
in an
good.
overpowering, like gross way.
I thought it was gonna be more oceany, but it's not.
Yeah.
It's really nice, especially oh my god, that sourdough was a really good finisher. That was a really good finisher. That was up there.
I'm glad we did that. Get the Doritos, boy.
Oh, can we finish this out real
I'm
quick?
sorry, I'm ready to eat.
I'm sorry. All right, Ranko. Top. What's your favorite out of all the combinations?
The chicken nugget.
Chicken nuggets.
The chicken nugget was really fucking good.
I really enjoyed that sourdough. That was so good.
The sourdough was great.
That was really, really good. I think that was my favorite as of right now.
Because the French butter is so like
Light
creamy
and creamy.
and like very salty. And it just went well with the salty. Like,
It went well
fish.
with the caviar.
Yeah.
But the chicken nugget and the fried chicken.
The fried chicken.
And surprisingly the Bellini.
The Bellini.
Bitch.
She came out the cut.
She kind of came out swinging, and we was really doubting her because she looked like shit.
She did.
But she really came out swinging. It was so good.
Very good.
Yeah. All right. This was a 10 out of 10 experience. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.